Hi and welcome to my office-friendly Pilates workout in which you're gonna need a chair, as you can see. We will take special care of those muscles which are becoming weaker and weaker or more tensed by sitting a lot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the tense areas and we're gonna strengthen the weak areas. So probably you have been sitting a lot already, so let's jump straight into the first movement. So sit at the very beginning, at the very top of your chair, grab the back of your thighs, your feet are open shoulder width apart, and we're gonna exhale round the spine, sink into your extended arms, and inhale, come back up, sit nice and tall. Exhale, round. Inhale, come back up. So use the Pilates breath. Try to synchronize the movement with the breath. Exhale through pursed lips. Inhale through the nose. Mobilize the spine. Softly stretch the back muscles. In, come up. And exhale, start to activate the powerhouse, which means you pull the belly button in and up. Inhale, try to keep the tension in your abs. Good. Exhale, pull the shoulder blades apart. Inhale, pull the shoulder blades together. Let's go for 2 more like this. Make the movement big as possible. And then let's add a little back bend. So inhale, look up, lift your chest. Exhale again, round. Inhale, imagine a thread is attached to your sternum, which is pulling you up. Exhale, round. Last 2 here. Open up your chest, roll your shoulders back and down. Exhale, round. Pull here with your hands against your thighs to open up the upper back muscles a little bit more. And then stay nice and tall in your sitting bones. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right side. Bring the left hand against the right side, outside of your right thigh. Grab the back of your chair. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, switch to the other side. Right hand to the left outside of your thigh. Good. Now use the back of your chair, if you have one, to melt deeper, to pull you deeper into the twist, into this sweet spinal rotation. So we're gonna massage our organs, our intervertebral discs. Keep the legs and the pelvis steady and calm. Only focus on moving through your thoracic spine, the mid part of your spine. Good, let's go for 2 more. Inhale, raise up. Exhale, twist. Last round. Shoulders low, long, relaxed neck. And then stay in the center, inhale. Just rub at the right hand, press it against the sitting area, and tilt over to the right side. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, switch over to the other side. Moving through the sides of your body, so open up the lateral flank. Inhale. And exhale, try to create yourself even more space to breathe, even more space for your lungs here. Try to look up. Try to rotate your heart and your chest upwards. Let's go for 2 more of these. Melt deeper into that side bend, into the lateral flexion here for your spine. Roll the upper shoulder back and down. And then inhale, come up, and exhale, bring both hands here onto your sitting area. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna press the heels into the mat, into the floor, and we're gonna lift the hip up. So as you exhale, slightly lower your hip. As you inhale, try to squeeze your glutes and you open up through the hips. Good. Just keep working like this. Please don't collapse into your shoulders. Roll your shoulders back and down and really try to enjoy this wonderful chest opener here. So we're gonna try to bring the shoulders back, especially when you're sitting a lot. the shoulders always tend to roll forwards and inwards. So let's try to bring them back and down again. It's always a good idea when you sit for a long time that you bring back some tension into your glutes. So let's squeeze the glutes as you come up and inhale, lower. Good. So choose your breathing rhythm. You can inhale as you lift to focus on your chest opener. You can also exhale as you lift to focus on the glute activation. The most important thing is that you breathe. So don't hold your breath. Good. Let's go for 2 more. Long neck. Last round. And then hold it here. Keep that tension in the glutes. And lift the right leg. Inhale. Exhale, lower, and switch to the other side. If it's too much for you, feel free to come back with your butt cheeks on your sitting area, and you can do the exercise here. That's fine. But we really want to make sure to open up at the hip, because as you can see, when I'm sitting here, my hip is bent. So my hip flexors are probably very tensed. So let's try to come up, to open up through the hips again, and to work for the glutes here. If you want more, follow me. So inhale, lift the knee up, leg is bent at a 90-degree angle. Then stretch, exhale. Inhale, bend, and we release with the exhalation. Switch over to the other side. Inhale. Exhale through pursed lips. Feel free to flex the foot, that's fine. In and out. Good. So point and flex alternately. So we bring back some tension, some work in our calf muscles. Make sure that your hips are not dropping, that you're not tilting to the side. Keep the hips parallel. Good work. Let's go for 2 more, 1 on each side. Press the heel, which is grounded, into the mat. Last round, in, out, in, and out. Now bring the foot back onto the mat, bring the butt cheeks back onto the chair. Amazing. Now keep the feet open, shoulder width apart, and we start to lift the heels alternately. So remember yourself to sit nice and tall. Pull the shoulder blades together and into the lower back. Breathe deeply and calmly. Pick up the pace a little bit here. And feel the power, the strength here in your calf muscles that is coming up slowly. Enjoy the heat. Good. Let's support the veins here in your lower legs. So we want to keep them active and healthy. All right. Let's go for the last 4. Breathe out. 3. And breathe out. 2. Breathe in. Out. And the last breath in. And as you breathe out, you stop the movement and maybe you want to shake it out a little bit. Good work. Now feel free to open your legs more than shoulder width apart so you have space for your spine to dive through. What we're going to do is keep the hands on your thighs, and with your next exhalation, tuck your chin to your chest, roll down vertebra by vertebra, and as you inhale like a snake, you dive through and elongate your spine, but your upper body is hinged forward. Now exhale, round again, and you roll back up vertebra by vertebra. Feel free with the inhalation to roll your shoulders back and down. Chin to chest, exhale, round. Stay on your sitting bones. Now like a snake, dive through. Your gaze is going diagonally down onto the mat, and exhale, sink down and roll back up. Inhale, roll the shoulders. Exhale, roll down. Inhale, lengthen. Pull the shoulder blades together. Exhale, drop the head and roll back up. Inhale, shoulders. Let's go for 2 more like this. Last round here. Now we're gonna meet here in the slightly hinged forward position with a long spine. Press your hands against your thighs. This will activate your broad back muscle a little bit more. And as you inhale, you lift the right arm, thumb is looking up. Exhale, press the hand against the thigh, and we're gonna switch to the other side with the inhalation. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna strengthen the shoulder muscles and the upper back muscles. Good. Keep the powerhouse active. Pull the belly button in and up. Pull the imaginary corset a little bit tighter with each exhalation. What about your pelvic floor? Also try to activate the pelvic floor. Good. If you want more, it's just optional. Lift both arms at the same time. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, press the hands against the thighs. Feel what is happening in your back muscles. Please don't pull the shoulders to the ears. Soften the shoulders, keep them low, and focus on your shoulder blades, which are pulling down into your lower back. Amazing. Now, instead of pressing the hands against the thighs, keep the arms long, grab something, and pull the elbows into your lateral flanks. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, pull it in. Lat pull for your broad back muscle. Beautiful. In and breathe out. Back muscles are working. Let's go for 2 more. Reach up. The more you hinge forward with your upper body, the more your back muscles have to work. And with the next round, keep the arms bent at a 90-degree angle here, and we're just gonna move the arms behind the upper body and bring it back into the starting position. So imagine cracking a nut with your shoulder blades and bring it back. Don't move your lower back. The lower back, the lumbar spine is steady and calm, and the abs are active to reduce the stress here in your lower back. Good. What we want is we want to bring some activation in your mid and upper back muscles that might get weaker and weaker by sitting a lot. So let's strengthen these parts. Breathe in, breathe out, look down diagonally so you can keep your neck in one extension to the rest of the spine. Woo. Good. It's getting warm here. Let's go for the last 2. Exhale. Inhale. Last round. And then bring your hands back onto your thighs and roll back up. Good. Again, sweep the arms up over the side and alternately reach upwards with the arms, right and left. Woo. Take some deep breaths. And then feel free to add a soft rotation to move like a wave here. So move again through the whole torso. Beautiful. Now you opened up your chest. You opened up your hips a little bit. You strengthened your upper back muscles and your glutes. Moved the whole upper body. Moved also the lower legs a little bit. Now, last round, reach up with both arms. And exhale, beautiful. Now you're perfectly connected with your body, breath, mind, and soul again. And maybe you're again ready for some work. See you soon in the next video. Want to add a more intense workout to your lunch break? Then make sure to check out this free YouTube workout over here. See you there.